Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, there are two squares whose ratio of their perimeters is 7 upon 16. Now the area of the first square is given as 441 meters square, and thus we have to find the area of the second square. So according to the question, we have two squares, that is the square number 1, and over here we have square number 2. So square number 1 has edge length equals a units, or you can say a meter, and square number 2 has edge length equals b units or b meter. Okay, therefore perimeter of square number 1 represented by p1 will be equals 4a meter, and perimeter of square number 2 will be equals 4b meter, and area of square number 1 will be a square meter square, and area of square number 2 is b square meter square. Now according to the question, the ratio of their perimeters is 7 upon 16, that is p1 upon p2, which is 4a upon 4b, which can be further simplified to a upon b, is given as 7 upon 16. So this will be our relation number 1, and from this relation we have to find the area of the second square. Now the ratio of the two areas, that is a2 upon a1, will be b square upon a square, that is b upon a whole square. Now from relation number 1 we have a upon b is 7 upon 16, so b upon a will be 16 upon 7 whole square, right? Over here I made a small mistake. Wait a minute. Okay, it should be a2 upon a1, right? It should be a2 upon a1, which is b square upon a square, that is b upon a whole square, which is nothing but 16 upon 7 whole square. Now we have the value of a1, which is 441 meters square. Therefore a2 upon 441 will be equal 16 square upon 49. Therefore the value of a2 will be equals, so in order to get the value of a2 we have to multiply both sides of the equality by 441. So 16 square will become 256, and then we have 49, and in numerator we have 441. So in numerator total we have 256 multiplied by 441, and in denominator we have 49. So let's use the calculator in order to simplify this. So 49 will cancel out 441 and will produce 9, and 9 multiplied by 256 will give us 2304. Therefore the value of a2 will be equals 2304 meters square, right? So this will be our final required answer. Thank you and have a great day.